Your favorite snack is shrinking. The price isn't. It's called shrinkflation, and it's everywhere. Same packet, same price. Less inside. Crisps, chocolate, cereal, kitchen roll, toilet paper. Companies shrink the product instead of raising the price. You notice a higher price. You don't notice a smaller bar. A bar that was 200 grams is now 150. That's a hidden 25% price rise. There's even skimpflation. Same size, cheaper ingredients. Check the price per 100 grams. That number never lies. Follow the money trap. We read the small print so you don't.